In this video, I'll show you how to change phone number on your Signal account. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once your Signal app has opened, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner, then tap on Settings. Then tap on Account. In your account settings, underneath Account, tap on Change Phone Number. In here, we can change our phone number to our new phone number. You can't undo this change. Before continuing, make sure your new number can receive SMS or calls. If your new phone number can, tap on Continue. You'll now need to enter your old phone number and your new phone number. You can change the region by tapping on the drop down arrow here. I'm going to be going with the United States, and then simply type in your old phone number in here. So let me just do that now. Once you've typed in your old phone number, you'll need to type in your new phone number. Again, you can select your region. If it's the same, just leave it as it is and then type it in. So I'm just going to do that now. Once you've typed in your new phone number, tap on Continue. At the top, it says Change Number. You're about to change your phone number from and then to, and then it gives you the old phone number and the new phone number. Before proceeding, please verify that the below number is correct, and then you need to make sure that it is the correct phone number. If it's not, tap on Edit Number. If it is, tap on Change Number. Signal will then begin verifying that number. You may need to verify if you're human, and then let me just complete this captcha real quick. So I'll need to drag the astronaut, which is here, into the spaceship, and then tap on verify. And then it will send a new verification code to my new phone number. You'll receive it by SMS. If for some reason you can't interpret the code via SMS, you can use the call me function here for Signal to call you instead. You also have the option to resend the code if you didn't actually receive it. So I'm going to type in the code now. Once you've typed in the code, Signal will automatically begin the process of changing your phone number to that new phone number that you received the SMS from. And there we go, my new phone number has been changed to this new number. So there's nothing else left to do now. The change has been done. You can just tap on OK and you can see your new phone number at the very top of your profile information. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to change phone number on your Signal account. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?